Now, 360-degree videos are all the rage, and most of the time you need something dedicated to taking some great-looking visuals. Any of these 4 360-degree cameras will be good enough to give you great output. The Garmin VirB 360, which takes the 4th place, uses 2 cameras with wide-angle lenses to capture unstitched videos in high-resolution 5.7K or 5K at 30 frames per second, as well as stitched in-camera for a 4K result. Audio from all directions is recorded using 4 microphones for a complementary spatial audio experience to the spherical video. The built-in barometer, accelerometer, gyroscope, and compass sensors, as well as GPS and GLONASS positioning, provide real-time data for the G-Metrix overlays. Videos stitched in camera can be streamed live with the VirB applications on select Apple devices. You can use the top LCD to monitor key information. The third product on our list, the Insta360 ONE, packs multiple cutting-edge and unconventional features into one handy piece of kit. It offers a flip-out lighting connector as well as built-in Bluetooth for instantly syncing up to the app directly or wirelessly. In the bullet time mode, the camera records at 2048 by 512 resolution at 120 frames per second, whereas standard 360 videos are recorded in 4K resolution at 30 frames per second, while still images are captured in 24 megapixel resolution. It uses internal 6-axis gyroscope image stabilization in most modes to counteract camera shake. The Insta360 ONE has 1/4 inch 20 threaded mounting hole on the bottom for attaching it to selfie sticks, monopods, and other supports. A built-in battery provides approximately 70 minutes of continuous shooting and is rechargeable via a micro USB port. Head over to the video description after watching this video so you can know more about these featured products and find links to buy them. The second-placed Ricoh Theta V gives you an immersive 360-degree video and audio experience in a small form factor. It has 2 12-megapixel sensors and a twin-lens optical system that captures 2 wide-angle images and automatically stitches them into one complete spherical image. This results in comprehensive 360-degree 4K videos and 12-megapixel photos. A built-in 4-channel microphone captures high-quality audio from 4 directions and with seamless transitions between the channels. The Theta V records to approximately 19 gigabytes of internal memory. The Theta app lets you preview your shots before you shoot, live stream to platforms such as YouTube Live, and more. An optional waterproof housing lets you take your Theta V up to 100 feet underwater. And the best 360-degree camera in the market is the GoPro Fusion. It lets you capture incredible 5.2K videos and 18 megapixel photos of everything around you by shooting in every direction at once. It also allows you to turn 5.2K spherical videos into traditional 1080p videos from any angle right on your phone. You can also crop the 18 megapixel spherical photos any way you want to create standard resolution photos that are easier to save and share. The GoPro app helps you to preview and play back shots, edit videos, and share them on the spot. Fusion is waterproof down to 16 feet without housing to make it easy to get stunning underwater footage. Its gimbal-like stabilization lets you create shockingly smooth videos without a gimbal. Hit the like button and subscribe to our channel to show us that we're doing a good job. Press the bell icon to get notifications and comment to let us know your opinions.